Dear soul friends, my name is Helena Sohum, and I'm a transpersonal psychologist and a Korean shaman. I have been working as a clinician for the last 18 years, and in my practice, I integrate indigenous healing systems and Western theories of psychology in supporting the healing and growth process of people navigating the complexities of technologically advanced societies. As a healer and teacher, I facilitate soul and ancestral initiations through ceremony and ritual, in collaboration with healers and artists around the world. The goal of these ceremonies is to ignite collective healing and create pathways for people to proudly step into their heroic journeys. Today, I want to let you know about my retreat, simply called Illuminate. For many years, I have felt the calling to create an inspirational space where we can restore our energy from the fatigue of living in the modern world while simultaneously working towards building a hopeful future. In my daily life, I encounter many beautiful people who are doing their best to live a meaningful life. However, the world we live in does not consistently provide a supportive environment for achieving wholeness. I am saddened by this reality. As a clinician and shaman, I have been working towards developing programs to assist talented individuals actualize their gifts and trigger shifts in the collective consciousness. The Illuminate Retreat is my response for our longing to be in touch with the soul and feel into the wildness of living a connected life. Illuminate is for anyone who realizes that there is more to life than merely gaining material comfort and achieving a higher social status through ego-driven achievements. It is an opportunity to awaken to our greater purpose. Illuminate was created to bring light into the world. We will honor our ancestors by offering a shamanic ceremony under the radiant glow of the sun, moon, and stars, followed by discussions on how best to serve our local and global communities. This event is open to anyone wanting to learn and explore spirituality and soul work in a safe and supportive environment. Shamanism is one of the oldest human religious expressions, and it is also the indigenous spirituality of Korea, my first home. Through a process of cultivating direct relationships to the spirit and elemental realms, our wise ancestors were able to thrive on our planet for thousands of years. As our species confronts immense existential challenges, reconnecting to the center of our being for divine guidance is the only way we can move forward and enter the next stage of our evolution. My dear friends, I look forward to sharing sacred time with you, and I am here to support you on your unique soul journey.